Alonso, what a surprise! It has been a long time.
Álvaro, say her, how is everything? Are you still down with the hex?
Of course, the elevator never stopped. What about you? Is everything okay in the workshop?
Yes, there is always some time to fix. I'm been quiet but lately.
I can imagine. I remember you were always very meticulous and resourceful with cars.
Thanks. That is a quiet task server me will. And you? How are you doing with the Saturday precision that always characterizes you?
This is okay in my job. There's no room for error. My day today as an elevator technician is very varied. It manages the periodical reviews, identify possible faults, and I solve complex breakdowns. For example, last week, an elevator in an office building got stopped because a sensor failed. Quickly, I inspected the control panel and calibrated the system. So, in a short time, the elevator was working perfectly again. I always ensure that every component is in optimal condition. I am responsible for the safety of many people, and this requires a lot of attention to detail and the technical acknowledged.
My yoga's mechanic is who's as demanding. I diagnose mechanical problems, repair engine, brakes, suspension. I perform preventive maintenance on vehicles. Day ago, a customer came in with a very strange noisy in the engine. I listened carefully to the description and efficiently checked all possible foul points because I had experience with the model. I discovered it was worth out better than I skillfully repassed the damager part. My goal is for my customers' cars to operate stealthily and reliably. Also, I always clearly communication the problem and the solution.
It's an interesting hope. So, even though our jobs are different, we share many professional skills. We both need to be analytical, right?
Absolutely, problem solving capacity is essential. When a customer tells you something isn't working, you have to investigate it, analyze it, and act decisively.
Exactly. Effective communication is also important because we often have to explain complex things to people who are not experts.
And we're going to players. Even though we sometimes work alone, there are always colleagues and you can consult on to learn from.
Okay, well, it was a pleasure. See you later.
See you later.